lagi na lang ganito, no? Hi, guys! Pag-opening ng vlog. Hi, guys! So, today is, ano ba ngayon? July 5. So, nagplan kami ng mga friends ko na manunod kami ng movie. And, itong papanooran natin na movie is, hindi siya sa sine, hindi siya sa theater. Ay, kuya, can you turn that down, please? Hoy! Kuya!
Yeah.
Can you turn that down? So, hindi sa... ano ba yan? Nabulol na. So, hindi siya sa theater tayo manunood, kundi mag-drive. Hindi pa kasi nila alam eh. So, basta makikita nyo na lang mamaya kung saan tayo manunood ng movie. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, yung mga dadalhin natin. Kasi kailangan natin magdebit-bit ng drinks, ng mga snack. And then yung asawa ko, may mga binili siya na mga popcorn, hindi yung regular popcorn ha. Basta yung mga popcorn lang na mga na chips, ganon. May pakita ko sa inyo yun pagka uwi niya. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga na dadalhin natin. So, ito ang ating dala. So, we have itong bar, chewy bar. And then, yung mga fruit snack na gusto nila. And then, ito, dito ko ilalagay yung mga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na popcorn na binili ng asawa ko. And then, meron din akong dalang zip bag dito kasi marami tayong, na gusto kong tagi-tag-isa silang, ziplock. Yan. Tapos, nagdala din ako nitong peanut butter and jelly na jam. Yan, tatlo. Kasi tatlo lang yan kasi si Natalia ayaw niya. And then, we have some cheese balls. And then, ito yung ating drinks. Ayan, wait, buksan ko. So, ito yung ating drinks. So, ayan, meron tayong Sunkist para kay Troy at Natalia yan. And then, we have Pepsi, root beer, at saka Dr. Pepper. Ayan, nandiyan siya. So, maglalagay pa ako dito. Ilalagyan pa natin to ng ice. Ayan. And then, magdadala din tayo ng watermelon. Kasi, sobrang dami nating watermelon. Ayan, meron pa tayong watermelon dyan. And then, meron pa tayong watermelon dito sa ref. Ayan, na hindi ko pa siya nahihiwa. So, marami tayong watermelon na kailangan nating kainin. So, para yeah. Basta, marami tayong bit-bit na kasi hindi ko alam kung ilang oras yung mga palabas na papanoorin natin. Pero, I think mostly lahat yun. Kasi dalawa siya yung papanoorin natin. Hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa. Kasi yun ang showing nila. So, ano ba yan? So, yun ang showing. Dalawa siya. And then, so, hindi ko alam kung hanggang ilang oras yung papanoorin natin. Pero, at alam ko is, mga like 1 hour and a half lang yan siya. But, depende sa mga movie. So, baka midnight na kami makauwi. Kaya, ayun. Pero, dahil nga umuulan ngayon, so, hopefully, makapunta pa rin tayo. And, anong oras na ba? Late na. Actually, late na rin ako nag-vlog. Oo. Late na ako nag-vlog. Kailan ba? Kahapon? Or no. Yeah, kahapon, no, 4th of July. Ngayon, late na naman ulit ako mag-vlog. So, wala. Gusto ko lang talaga i-document ang aming mini, movie with our friends. Ayan. Kasi ito lang yung first time na magkakasama kami. And, kasi yung isa kong friend, yung anak niya kasi nag-birthday, I think, today ata yung birthday niya. So, nirequest niya na manood ng movie na kasama kami. So, kaya, yun. Diba? Tutuparin natin ang kanyang pangarap. Wow. Ang kanyang request, actually. Hopefully na hindi na umulan. Kasi talagang, but, yeah. So, ilalagay ko lang tong mga to dito sa aking malaking bag. Dito sa aking boogie bag. Ayan. So, yan. Lalagay ko lang yan dyan. And then, papakainin ko sila ng lunch kasi, para may lunch sa kanilang body. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano papakain ko sa kanila. But I think, what do you guys want to eat? Just sandwich?
Yeah, I'll take sandwich.
Okay, sandwich lang. So, ayan ang kanilang kakainin, guys. Since mamaya ay puro snack na lang naman ang kakainin nila. So, ayan, lunchable. So, ham. And then yung biscuit. Caleb, really?
What?
And then, sausage. Yan. Vienna sausage. So, yan ang kakainin nila. Really?
May I show you how to make a sandwich?
Yeah. Well, you showed them how to make sandwich.
You get this, then this.
No, that's not how you do it. Do it right.
This is a
No.
fast
No.
sandwich.
Do it right. Put the ham in there. Put the ham. Kick it. Get down. What are you doing?
I'll
Stop.
show you how to make a macaroni.
No, you don't know how to make macaroni.
I know how.
So what do you put?
You put I like cheese.
And then put this.
Stop. So what do you have in there in your hand? You got crackers
Next, you want to put
and then ham
next,
and then crackers.
cheese.
Ay nako. All right, eat. Come on.
Hey mom, this is how I'll make my sandwich.
Show them how you do yours. Really, Caleb? Right there. Just share.
Right here.
Sige, pag ikaw. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Ay, ikaw, ate girl.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Show them what you're eating. Come on. Sabi mo, you want that, eh? So you better eat it. Now.
that sandwich.
Dali. You're not gonna eat the Oreo yet.
I'm gonna eat the orange.
No.
Cheers. Ham. But the ham.
No, don't eat the Oreo yet. Eat the ham. Sissy, eat the ham. No, you gotta eat that. Try to eat the ham. Okay, eat it then. See? I knew you're not gonna eat that. You're wasting that.
Ready time. 4-0. I don't know how to get it. 4-0. I don't know how to get one.
Hey mom, can you make sure my flies won't go to my food?
Boy, where you go?
I have to take a dump.
Yuck.
I can't wait to try it.
Try it now. It's a cheese. Sure. Try ha. Okay, take another bun.
It's so squishy.
No, take another bite.
Okay. I'll take a biggest bite.
Okay, take a biggest bite. There you go. Ka. Pag ganyan-ganyan ka, ayaw mo naman. Maglagay tayo ng ice, baby. Maglagay tayo ng ice.
They're still eating.
Is it successful, Kayla?
What?
Did you make it successful?
Yes.
Did it successful?
Did it go in?
Did it go in?
Yeah.
All the way in?
Yeah.
Kailangan mas maraming oil. Ayan. Meron pa tayo dito isa. lang natin basagin! Basta marami lang ice, okay na yan. Pinakpak yarn. Ayan. Ayan. What else to put in there? What do you guys, Ganda na mag-overpack tayo.
I love
2, 4, 5. Huwag mo. Oh my God, ang heavy niya. Okay, it's ready na.
Do you need me to help you?
No, dito naman tayo sa ating boogie bag. So, ito yung ating snack. Ayan. Natin dito sa malaking bag na to. Ating Cheetos or cheese balls.
Cheese
And
balls,
then
Jimmy.
I said cheese balls. We need wipes. Ano talaga itong pupuntahan natin is for talagang ano talaga to. So, meron tayong mga chips. Ito lang dalawa. Meron tayong cheese. Mga ano dito, chips na hindi, ito dapat yung sa birthday party ni Kaylo, pero hindi ko siya nailabas, nakalimutan ko. So, ito na lang yung dadalhin natin. Yeah, dalhin natin to para makain. Ayan.
yes.
So, guys, ready na kami. And ready na din ang mga kids. Sit down.
Where Daddy?
Daddy's coming. And ito na yung ating bibit-bitin. Ayan.
Is Daddy home?
Not yet. He will be home soon.
Indeed, I'm ready to help.
Not yet. We have to wait because we're gonna be riding in the truck. And of course, meron din tayong blankets na dala. And may chair din tayo dala. So guys, Daddy's here. Oh my gosh. It's 7:41. Oh, it's okay. Just go ahead and put it back in the thing. Pinakain niya si Nala, yung nasa labas naming pusa. So anyway, so hindi na ako Daddy is here on time kasi magmi-meet up kami ng mga friends doon sa village namin dito sa gas station ng 8:15. So, like, Daddy is here on time. So, nilalagay na nila yung mga gamit sa truck. Kasi yung truck ang gagamitin natin dahil talagang makikita nyo yung maganda yung ating papanooran. And, so, yun. Yeah, may dala din tayong blanket. At hindi na rin ako ng watermelon kasi wala, hindi ko na nagawa. Kasi nag-ask din naman ako sa kanila if they wanted watermelon, pero sabi nila wala silang sinabi. So, hindi na lang ako nagdala. So, okay na yun. Bukas na lang natin hiwain ng watermelon para meron tayong watermelon tomorrow. So, yun. Ilalagay na lang yung mga gamit sa loob ng sasakyan and then we're gonna go.
Hi.
So, guys, ayan sila, oh!
They're all sitting together.
Yeah!
Funny.
It's so funny, huh? So, ayan. Alis na tayo kasi 7:50 na. Okay lang na maghintay tayo doon. Basta, So, tingnan nyo yung aking pwesto. So, ito guys, yung mga chips na binili ni Daddy na like nag-overpack din si Daddy, oh. Oh.
Very hungry.
Tapos, ayan pa, oh. Nag-overpack din si Daddy. Hi, Daddy! Thank you for coming with us.
Thank you for having me.
So, let's go!
I know.
No. And let's go! You guys excited?
Yeah.
Sissy, you look like you're sleepy. excited?
Yeah.
Kuya Chad, are you excited?
Yes.
Opo?
Plus, I don't even know where we're going.
I know. What about you two? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Opo? You Troy? Huh? And you Daddy? Say, let's go! Yeah, let's go! So guys, nandito tayo sa gas station kasi yung magagas sila and kami hindi na namin kailangan ng gas dahil we have gas. We have full tank of gas. Are you guys okay?
Yes.
This is our road trip.
What?
A road trip.
How long is it gonna take us?
I have no idea. So this is my first time na pupunta doon. So, and first time lang ng mga kids na makita yon. So, it's our first time. Pero I think sabi ng asawa ko is nadaanan na daw namin to before. Pero, hindi lang talaga nagpe-pay attention or ano. Kaya, nadaanan na namin before and nakapunta na kami. Ay, hindi pa kami nakapunta. Yun. So, ito yung aming first time. Excited. Oh my gosh, kasi na yung araw. Ito, tingnan yung araw. Ayan. Ayan ang ating sunlight. O, diba? O, i-stay mo yan, ha? Huwag kang ano. I-stay mo dyan. Ha?
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Hindi nila nakuha ang turn. So, they missed the turn. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Nandito na kami. So, ayan yung big screen.
I'm gonna let the past be fixed.
We're here. Ito yung dalawa. I have no idea. So guys, ilagay na natin itong mga chips nila dito sa lalagyanan. So we have this one sa popcorn para pag nag-ready na yung movie. What? Scared me, natabya. Thank you. Here we're done. Wala talagang nasa movie talaga tayo. So it's gonna start na, guys. Look at those big kids over there. Hi, you guys say hi.
Uh-oh.
Ay na, mag-start na.
No, hopefully we don't have to do the radio.
Ayan, mag-start na. Hopefully marinig natin. Ayan na. It's a Garfield movie. So, ayan guys. Pinapanood natin ang Inside Out 2. So, time is 10:07 na guys. Nanonood pa tayo. Ayan si Natalia. Ando doon si Troy. Doon. Ayan. What's the matter, girl?
No problem. On the babies.
Oop.
My gosh, rolls.
Huh? So, did you guys have fun? Yeah. So, right now, guys, it's 11:02 na in the morning. No, p.m. So, let's go home.
Wait, is it a big boy?
Yes.
Wow.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Sleeping.